Hi traders, it's Eddie here from TradeView and welcome to episode 334 of Trading Talk. In this episode, I combined two previous trading talks together to really ramp up a new concept that will make you start thinking about how you're going to use it in your own trading. This is a really fun episode to play around with. Now, if you like trading talks, then you'll absolutely love our Algo trading conference. What I show in this episode is less than 1% of what you're going to get from me at this year's Algo conference. Not to mention models from Chris Pulver and Josh Ritterman. Those guys are seriously next level. One thing that we've noticed on our trading desk is that all of our top traders have attended at least one, if not all our Algo conferences. And whether they're using all the models shown directly or not, what they've picked up from these events has translated into real results in their live trading accounts. Just check out our insights page on our website to see what I'm talking about. Get your ticket now and I'll see you there getting what you came to get out of these markets. You know what I'm talking about. Please enjoy this week's episode of Trading Talk, and until next week, all the best with your trading.